Let's take a look at how you can add your custom feel and style to the tooltips. We are working with the tooltip we created in the previous video. Let's go to its settings menu. The settings menu is grouped into categories by default. If you don't want it to be grouped, you can simply right-click in the properties window and change that setting. In the contents section, we can add the text for the tooltip's header and description. If we want to change the style of the text, we will need to switch to a specific control with the control drop-down menu. There's pretty much no limit to what you can change about the tooltip that you are creating. If you are wondering what a specific property means, you can always refer to the properties table within our help manual. After you've achieved your vision, instead of repeating the same process over and over again, you can navigate back to the sequence flow section. Here, assuming the tooltip is selected, you can add the tooltip to templates with a click of a single button. The prompt window will ask you to give it a name, and just like that, it is saved. To add a tooltip from the templates, we go back to the plus sign, just how we did in the first video, and this time click on Add from Templates. You can select the tooltip you want to add by clicking on the plus sign, and just like that, it is added to your project.